Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Nginx to load balance multiple application servers. And I will take Windows operating system and our product report to Excel program for example. Okay. Let's go through the slide. First, please learn the benefits of this solution. I suggest you pause the video to read this page carefully. And I think the most important point is that you can make a lot of servers to work together as a single server. From the user's perspective, there's just one server, on address, but actually there are several servers behind the Nginx reverse proxy server. Okay. How to accomplish the mission? There are 5 steps. Number 1, download Nginx application and install it. Number 2, configure the Nginx server. Number 3, start the Nginx server. Number 4, access backend service through Nginx server. Number 5, stop the Nginx server. Okay. And we can go through step by step. Number 1. Please download the Nginx server installation file and install it. And next, we will configure the Nginx server by editing the configuration file. And then after the configuration is done, we will start Nginx server. And we will access the Nginx server from a browser. Finally, we will try to shut down the Nginx server gracefully. Let's do it step by step. First, please download the Nginx installation file from their website. Please go to this page and click this link to download installation file for Windows. I have already downloaded the file. And also have installed it on my computer. I already download it and install it here in this directory. Okay, next step. Next step is to configure the Nginx server. We need to edit this file. How to edit it, and let me show you now. In this example, we have 3 servers. The first one is the Nginx server. The IP address suffix is here 11. We also have 2 worker servers. The suffix of IP addresses are 3 and 6. And they are all listening to the TCP IP port 8003. Okay, how to configure this file, to build this architecture. Okay, first we go to the configuration file. This configuration file is in this folder. And this file here. Open and edit the file. Okay. First, we should copy these lines. And paste them here. Paste them here. And next, I will copy this and paste them here here. And I need to comment or remove the 4 lines. Because they are duplicated or conflicted with the 3 lines below. Yeah, let's just comment them, don't remove them. Okay, next step. Because we use 8003 port. Needs change the port from 80 to 8003 here. And then I will save the file by clicking the Save button. Okay, next step. Next step is to start the Nginx server. When the configuration is done. Okay, you will go to this folder and run this command. It's quite simple. Okay, go to this folder, click address bar. Type command, open the DOS prompt. And run start engine command. Press enter, OK. Now the server is started. If it is the first time you start the server, you will see a dialog that asks if you allow the traffic from outside to go through the firewall to access the Nginx server. Please allow the traffic to go through the firewall. OK. Now let's try to next step is to access the service via Nginx server. I will copy the address. And then I will open the browser. And paste the address. Okay, now you can see the address is working. I will click here. And look carefully, I will refresh the page. When I refresh the page, you will see the content is changed here. The version number is changed. Because the request will go to each server randomly. Or the request will go to different servers. The requests don't stick to one server. Because the 2 servers' version number are different. One is 2.47, the other one is 2.6. The number are different, so you can see that when I refresh the page, the numbers was changed. Because the response was returned from different servers. But for some servers, for example for the Java report to Excel server, they are so-called stateful application. How to figure out this problem? Okay, you can go to this page, go to this guideline to have a look. It says with the default load balancing algorithm, each subsequent client request can be potentially distributed to a different server. There's no guarantee that the same client's request will always be directed to the same server. But for the Java report to Excel application, or for other stateful applications, we need the session sticky or persistent in terms of always trying to select a particular server. How to make this happen? It is simple. We need to add the IP_hash directive here. Okay, I will copy this string. And go to here. Put this direct to here. Now I save the file. But I will try to stop the server first. Stop server just using this command. Okay, because the server is stopped, so I got error page, and then I will start the server again. Start server again to make changes take effect. Let me see what happened. Refresh now. Okay, as you see, the version number is fixed. It is not changed, because only a particular server will serve my request. Okay, that's how the Nginx server work as a reverse proxy to load balance your multiple application servers. Thanks for watching, bye.